in a month or get 200,000 naira. Or the possible?
In my life, stage by stage, right? And obodo Iba there is especially UK, so I'm just going to be as honest as possible.
Okay, please.
Coming for the first time, not easy because of your husband na gonna and I have to no school fees and everything. So for that first, come 6 months, so not cheesy like that. So more many different kinds of work. I go na factory before. I run na factory, na meat factory was very difficult. Take a quarter for 12 hours. Na cold room. Nde biri UK ma him neku. So ka na weekly salary anyway. Kakaho easy money helps you to pay bills faster. Then from there, I'm working another job. So, all I'm na rokita. Let me not lie. Because if I want to about UK, everybody any different salaries. So sometimes I'm not going to and it's not true until you want that kind of job. So all I'm na rokita, my salary for last month was almost 3,000 pounds after tax.
After tax.
After tax.
Power!
My tax and I did too much. Not tax too much. So make around 3-4. Here we almost 700 pounds. I'm pro 699. Just buy 700 pounds. I'm pro for tax. So I come 27 something, 27 plus, almost 28. Can I kitchen jar and go and is around them 25 for around 5M. So just buy 5 point something. Naira. So when you're not UK, you can save even the least. Unless you as a student, that's the only way you got struggle and so get sobia. When I give you with somebody life for Gadrigo, someone I didn't know kita. I ain't worry like upper hand carry some people very alone. You're telling me, especially students.
Yes.
So give you as a student, you got tough. Man, I give you as a dependent. Kamu ashibia. I got very very easy to navigate life here. You man, go have one kind times 2.
Ego ba maka.
So people say easy is not easy. But try your possible best. Happen Nigeria. You're trying because even anyone ever we still have plans of coming back in future. Manoga after we must have like done so many investments back home. You got try because obodo be more be for a long time. Because of the quality of life. My man compare obodo Amoroge with ABB already. You understand the
na ibi ikukwe okwu ibe anyị niile kwu mgbe anyị bịa mana ịnọbara bife nwale ikwa 20 years anyị na bife nwale ikwa 30 years the system na abalu and it's very nice.
At my age nọrọ extra 20 years n'obodo a is not a bad thing.
It's not a bad thing. Ika the young. Alo nekede.
33